Welcome back, everyone. This is the third video in this series. I've been doing bookbinding of the series A Court of Thorns and Roses. This is the next book, A Court of Wings and Ruin. I chose a purple theme for this. As I stated in the other videos, this is not a tutorial on the actual bookbinding process. There's a lot of really good videos out there. I'm planning on still doing a shortened version of the actual bookbinding process where you take a soft cover book. So here's the original soft cover once you remove the cover pages. And you're taking a soft cover book and turning it into a hard covered edition. So this is the design for the spine, and then that is the back. So as I mentioned in a couple of the other videos, the thing that I think takes the most time is the actual design process. I use Cricut Design Space because I can obviously cut my vinyl right from there. I did like a two-tone on all of these books with the gold and then a color that kind of corresponds with the, this is called like the book cloth. So it's, I don't know if you can really see, but it has a very matte, the book cloth. And I'm gonna link all of the products that I used in case you want. I use Amazon for everything and it's all pretty affordable. I haven't tried to make my own book cloth yet, but I know other people are doing that. I had one attempt at it and it did not go well. So if I can get it to work, I might do a video on that as well. But mostly I just wanted to put these out there for the actual design. I will link that below in the description as well. So it's a link right to Cricut Design Space. And if you want to use this design or alter it a little bit, change it up, it'll be free in the description. So thanks so much for watching.